Okay, this is video number 2 talking about voltages. Uh, in reality, voltages can be at a location other than 0 degrees. At any point in time, however, no matter, for example, when VA is at 0, then phase B and C will be 120 degrees behind and 120 degrees ahead, no matter where A was at. So if A started over here, and this is not going to happen in the way we measure it, but if it started over here at, let's put 30 degrees here, it would have to be at 90 degrees here, and it'd have to be at 150 here. But now you can still see, though, that B is still lagging by 120, and C is still leading it by 120, and then it's lagging B by 120. But what we do is we hook up a phase angle meter to these circuits, and we hook it in such a way that whatever voltage we put on it as the reference voltage, that voltage is going to be 0, and it's going to be followed by the other two. So, for example, if we start with A at 0, then on the meter, B is going to read at 120 and C is going to read at 120 in this direction. However, if we were to put B at 0 degrees, and I'm going to come up here and put B up here at 0 degrees, follow me with that, that means C over here would have to be at minus 120 degrees, and A would be over here at 120 degrees leading. And I keep that perspective. So when we hook up a phase angle meter, we use we connect it to the meter, and whatever voltage is connected to the meter or the phase angle meter, that voltage will become 0. And then each respective current that goes with, in this case, B or C or A, will be relative to this point in time. That's difficult to see right now, but as you go through this, keep that in mind, and I think you'll benefit from that, and you'll see what that means. One other thing, another helpful thing is if you look at it this way, this is what we call a clockwise rotation. So when whatever phase comes up, in this case, B is at 0 first, it's going to be followed by C and then followed by A. If it was A coming up first, A is followed by B and followed by C. If C came up first, it's followed by A and of course followed by B, keeping in line with this terminology that we're talking about right here. This will make sense later. We'll be talking about this a lot.